just had lunch. We're trying to get round to Terminal. But this is Creek.
It's a little bit soft, guys.
This is Creek's queue. I hope the maze reopens. Woohoo!
Oh, it's
Super Spark Cinema.
Hello.
Ready?
I'm really excited for this.
I love this maze. Let's go. Keep walking, keep trying to.
Hello. Great.
And we just managed to do Terminal.
It's excellent.
I thought it was brilliant.
It's better than Invitation. Good late morning.
Almost afternoon.
About 11 o'clock. We are off to the Thorpe Park Resort today. As we mentioned in the last video at the end of the Tully's vlog, we've got Fright Nights today, just the one day here.
Yes.
We've chosen to not get to the park for opening because
we're all dead.
We're all dead and it's an absolute washout. Hopefully the rain gets better today.
Got some blue sky now, so
blue sky, but it's very nice. I love the Thorpe Park Resort.
Me too.
So we've got 4 scare attractions and then some scare zones as well. We've got Terminal, which I am intrigued about after Invitation.
Survivor game.
Which is, realistically, it probably would have been one of the scariest attractions this year if we hadn't have done After Dark.
Creek Freak and Trailer.
Creek Freak and Trailers are back. Creek Freak's last year, which is amazing. I did it in its opening year, but I've not done since. You've done it last year.
It's good.
I've never done Trailers in its like
true form.
Not, I've done Bozos, but not done like any of the others.
You've not done its special Halloween,
no,
like the original Trailers.
Yeah, I'm excited for that. Yeah, we've got some scare zones as well. We've got Crows, we've got Death Doors.
Amity and Half and Fork Dance.
We've got hopefully some night rides as well.
Legacy.
Birthday Bash.
Yeah. I want to see Legacy.
I want to see Legacy. There's a lot of drum and bass and bass line and 140.
Courtesy of Archie Stevens.
Yep. But yeah, I'm excited for that. The whole event's going to be pretty good, to be honest. Friday nights are always like pretty decent, especially now that they've kind of it looks to me like they've kind of sorted out the maze queues.
Yeah.
By making them paid, which I'm fine with that.
Yeah, I'm actually fine to pay because it controls
makes
flow of the maze.
Improves the overall
experience. And you're not
experience.
waiting like 2 hours for a maze.
Yeah, unlike example 2017 where it was a mandatory fast track for Big Top because it was a 2-hour queue. But yeah, this is going to be good. We will see you.
Hopefully we'll get some night rides too, especially Stealth.
I want Colossus and Swarm. You want Stealth. I also want Stealth.
Nemesis Inferno is quite good and we're not bothered about it.
I think Saw's going to be close today anyway, so not too arsed. But the other 4 will be decent.
Yay!
We'll see you very soon. The things I like about the Thorpe Park Resort is all the lovely roller coaster chairs that you can sit in.
The walkers have reached the safe zone in North.
This is the Mardi Gras one, Chris.
The Walking Dead, the ride.
The X No Way Out. You don't get Chris Beck with a roller coaster train, so it's much quite cool.
first ride of the morning was a Nemesis Inferno.
It was very good.
She is running well.
Nice.
She's starting to run better than the original, in my opinion.
I won't lie, I kind of agree. That was better than like the front row we had on Nemesis. But the thing is, like, we're not going to ride Nemesis now until next year. Not next year, year after.
2024.
2024, so
like, yeah.
Getting used to this and, you know, appreciating how good it is.
Yeah, because it's always been compared.
Yeah.
But yes, no, I don't know where we're going next, but we shall see you wherever we end up. Welcome to the Thorpe Park Safe Zone.
Thorpe Park Safe Zone.
First maze of the day. Here we go. Feeling a bit nervous.
Excited for this one. Really excited.
Like, really nervous. Okay, this is a huge building. Oh god.
Oh.
Very nervous.
Oh, it is cool.
I'm actually very, very nervous now. Survival games.
Interesting one.
Nowhere near as good as I was kind of expecting it to be.
It is very hit or miss. You could get a great run, you could get a bit of a shit run.
Yeah, we had a bit of a pants run, to be honest.
Chris and Rob are still in there, to be fair.
A couple of bits got me, but not really much.
I got separated. We got separated.
Yeah.
A few times. Rob doesn't look very impressed.
We still haven't got a backflip.
Look at his face. His hand up.
Rob.
What the bloody hell was that?
What did you think? I think it was a bit...
Meh?
Yeah.
It's proper mid, isn't it?
That's seriously mid. It's
I think that's overhyped from what people
yes, it really is. It reminded me very much of Subspecies, which is probably my least favourite ever Towers maze.
I disagree.
Better done than Subspecies.
Yeah, some of the visuals in there are quite cool. The only bit that remotely got me is we got told to get on our knees and he whacked a hammer near our head. Ewan got dragged off, but
Yeah, it was a bit.
I was expecting someone to chase you up because that's what people have been saying, but nothing. Just air cannons.
Air cannons, not great.
Very weak. Very weak. Let's see what Mr. Beck has to say. How's that, Becky boy?
Oh, just shit!
Yeah.
So I could see both sets. I went the wrong way on purpose so I could go down the other side.
The fact that you had to go the wrong way on purpose just to be in there for like more than 5 minutes is kind of sad.
See, people are saying they're in there 20 minutes. How the hell does that happen?
It's people, I'm sorry, you lot are gassing this maze up because you love Thorpe Park. I'm sorry. Nah, that's
Is everything good about the Subspecies turned bad?
Yeah! Like,
Yeah, that was weak.
If that
was weak.
If that maze was at like Towers, actually no, that's a bad example. If that maze was at like Burton Screamfest, you lot would be like, it's not good.
Awful. Bloody awful.
Yeah, no, I'm not impressed with that.
After doing After Dark,
I guess you could get like a really good run through in that, but like
you may potentially get a better run through, but Jesus Christ, that was after dog shite.
when you pay for a maze and you only get one run through, you can only base it off one run through. So
No, for a paying experience, you expect more than what you get.
yeah,
Awful.
weak. That's like 10 quid a go in it.
Yep.
No.
Done. So we've just had lunch. We're trying to get round to Terminal, but this is Creek.
It's a little bit soggy, guys.
This is Creek's queue.
Hey,
I
guys.
hope the maze reopens. I really hope we manage to get our mazes in.
Should do.
But yeah, there are a few very large puddles around.
It's just really, really cute. Nah.
It is awful.
Hey guys. There is a new coaster opening here that's currently at risk of flood.
Yeah, maybe
Look
this is
at it.
why they're having problems signing off
Yeah.
Project Exodus.
As much as I want Exodus to get approved, like
I can see why.
I cannot be. I'm not surprised.
I can see why they're struggling. Oh my lord.
Jesus Christ.
So yeah, we'll update you. We're trying to head round to Terminal. And we'll let you know what's going on. Things are slowly starting to reopen. We've literally been stood in the rain, well, hiding from the rain for about an hour and a half.
Park's emptied out a lot.
All the maze has gone down. Creek is flooded, so hopefully it reopens. I think trailers is flooded.
We're going to see. Fingers crossed for terminal as well.
We're going to go down and ask this lady here if they think it's going to reopen, and then we'll decide what to do.
We'll just get a plan and just get as much as we can in.
Yeah, so we'll see you soon. Super Spark Cinema.
Hello. I'm really excited for this.
I love this maze. Let's go. I love trailers.
That was great. That was really good.
Obviously, really, because of the storm, I think a lot of actors may have gone on break.
Yeah.
Because there were a few rooms without some actors.
It's a bit light, yeah, but
you know what? Credit to them for getting it open.
Creek looks
very shut still.
Creek is closed.
That's okay. We've got time for it to potentially open.
We've got time.
Yeah, no, Creek trailers is just like insane.
This is from the tree.
So yeah, as I was saying, we got enough time for Creek to open. We have also still got terminal, so we might potentially go there first and then come back to Creek.
Creek looks like a lot of people are waiting to go in.
I mean, we'll have a look and see what's happening.
Yeah.
Try and ask a staff member.
Yeah.
But we'll also head round to terminal, I think, to see if we can get that done first. Before we head into Creek.
We'll get in all of them if they're open.
We'll keep you guys updated and see you very soon. So next up, Creek is still shut. We're going to go for the terminal, which is new for this year, isn't it, UMB?
Excited for this one, yeah, it's new for this year.
It'll be exciting to compare it to the invitation, but yeah. We'll head in and see if it is actually open. I think it is, but yeah.
It looks like it. So this park currently has a really weird atmosphere.
It feels like no one's here, but there's a few queues.
There's some big queues, but to be honest with you, I think the big queues are because there's not a lot open.
We're still waiting for terminal and hopefully Creek to reopen our mazes. Yeah,
we're going to do Swarm now. Because there's something in operation. I think Swarm's open, Stealth's open, and Colossus, and Inferno.
And there's some buckwheats.
Yeah, we've got some buckwheats here, hello. And we've got ponchos on. Love that. Oh. So that was really good. We just did Swarm in the dark on the back road. My first time doing it at night. It was really good. Really, really good.
That was fun.
Yeah, honestly. Sorry if there's not too much off-road tonight. It's usually,
Stealth is now 45 minutes, Saw is half an hour, Colossus is now half an hour, Nemesis is now half an hour, Swarm is 10.
Not too bad. How are the mazes? Have the mazes changed?
It's saying terminal still 35.
I'd say
nothing about Creek, but it may be worth walking around via Creek.
Let's go via Creek and see if that's open. Yeah, sorry if there's not too much off-ride tonight. To be honest, we're on a bit of a, because of the weather, we've been on a pretty tight schedule.
I want to try and get through Crows if they're open, and also Death Stores.
Yeah, me too. We're going to try and get in all the attractions, do some rides. basically whatever we can get in. So yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, darling. You look like you've got the plague.
I'm not diseased, you know.
I don't mean it as an insult, I'm just a doctor.
Oh.
Yeah. Do you want me to take you out? Yes or no is not a hard question.
I don't really know, to be honest.
Well, I'll need your spleen.
I'll be
So
alright.
if you just give me that, we can take that.
I'll just hack the symptoms
It's not
out.
what I live, can I have your liver?
Sorry, I was in the middle of a yawn then. Killing Santa Claus, really tired.
I can imagine. Why didn't you ring the doorbell?
That's the work. No, everything's broke around here. I'm really soggy. I want to go home. Because I've got a really big project on at the minute. I've got a taxidermy, 8 reindeers, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Try door 13. Ewan, try door 13.
Don't really know. Oh, hello.
Try that door. Well, that was a nice surprise.
Oh my god.
There's lots of water everywhere. Yeah, no, that was great.
That's really good. I enjoyed that a lot.
I
That's
love that.
probably the best scare zone I've done so far, I would say.
Like, no, it's our villagers.
Oh, Villages was good too. That's great. I like that.
It's so interactive and it's really fun.
The concept's great.
It's brilliant. I love it. Like, beautiful. So, yeah, we're going to go see if Creek's open.
Yeah.
Maybe get a ride on Colossus and then head around to Terminal and then we're going to do like stealth and stuff. And
Hopefully
the
Legacy.
crew! So we will definitely make sure we film the cruise for you as well. And yeah, that was really good fun. Let's head round. Our luck is changing, Creek is open.
It's
So
really weird.
we're in the queue for it, which is also technically the exit, but because the area is flooded, they've had to change the entry, but we're getting in it.
Big moves from Thorpe for getting this open. Like, yo.
This is great.
We thought at one point this was out for the season. This is the flooding.
But yeah, we've got this to do, Terminal to do, and I think we're going to do Colossus, Stealth, and maybe Detonator if we get on it.
That's our goal, yeah. Should get on it.
And then hopefully, if Legacy is running, we'll go and watch Legacy to end our night. But yeah, things are perking up.
This guy, whoever's acting in there, nutter. He is on it. They are on it in here tonight.
I mean, it's their final year as well, so they deserve to go out with a bang.
I've got a feeling this might be one of the better attractions. Trailers was good. This is looking good. Survival Games was not good.
And we are yet to do Terminal, but yeah.
I think we're going to do Terminal after this, yeah. 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 So that was...
I love the buckwheats.
That was my favourite maze of the night. It would have been even better if it weren't for
a
the
bunch of idiots.
wankers. I'm sorry, wankers. Someone in there had an umbrella out. I'm sorry, but like
literally holding it up as a weapon. I was just like, put
it's
that
like
down.
stop. Batch was a little big, but it's understandable.
Yeah, it's been close,
Yeah.
but the actors are on top form. They're so excited. And now, please let me be in charge of the camera.
Alright, we're doing Crows now.
This is my favourite.
It's open.
Ewan's never ever done this. There's two routes, Ewan. Which route would you
Can
like
we do
to
the scary one?
So do you want to go through the meadow?
I want to go through the sword arc.
That's the crows are the other side of the thing.
Should we do them both?
Yeah, because we can always leave
We'll
that
do
up.
them both. We'll do the
Go
scary
through
one.
Mawkin.
Mawkin Meadows.
Since my son vanished through that portal tonight. Now I fear to leave my home, not protected by them. They think I'm crazy. They don't believe a word I say.
Oh, hey up, rain. Right, that's only the trees. Mawkin Meadow pathways. Cruen's cottage or the Mawkin Meadow. It's got to be this way, isn't it?
Let's go this way.
Or is that which way?
You can go either way, I think. Yeah, we're going this way.
Down here. This is creepy as anything, I love it.
Hello.
Oh, hello, I didn't even see him. Oh, hello.
Hi, friend.
So creepy. It's really cool.
I love them so much. You better not be real.
Oh, I don't think he is real. This is so creepy.
I love how atmospheric the scares are in here.
It's so cool.
It's amazing. Oh, Chroma. Oh, here's a friend.
Oh, hello.
Spider-Man's business, I'm sorry.
Here's a friend. I'll be your friend. Little J. Lewis.
Oh, this is so sick.
I love it down here. I have like the biggest soft spot for the crows.
I love this. This is like, this is really cool.
Oh, we have one more. You have another friend.
He's got a good amount of access. Fair enough. That was great. I really enjoyed that.
We'll go back round in a bit.
Go right around again.
We're going to go to terminal now.
Yeah.
It should be open.
Yeah. Actually, is it?
I love my Crows.
I love that. That was great. I really enjoyed that.
It's the best skate.
This is turning into actually a really good night.
Like, for me, they're my favourites. They really are. They're so spooky because they say nothing. There's a bit of a queue.
Actually, I don't think there is. You know why? Because I don't think it's open yet.
Oh dear.
I think it's going to open.
Maybe. We'll go see what they're going to say.
Yeah.
So terminal is currently still not in operation.
This one is.
If we get it, we get it.
Yeah.
So to kill some time, we're going to go on courses.
Yep.
And then maybe walk through the other Mawkin Meadow.
Crows, yeah.
And then if terminal's open, we'll do it.
Yep.
And head to Stealth. If not, we'll just go straight to Stealth. But yeah, it's turned out to be quite a good evening. So we'll
It's
see
not
you
been bad,
guys.
honestly. Once everything opened again, it started getting really good. Because now all
Yeah.
the queues have balanced out.
So yeah, we'll see you guys very, very soon. So we had a really good front row night ride on Colossus.
Yeah, that was great.
And we just managed to do terminal.
It's excellent. It's
I thought it was
honestly,
brilliant.
It's better than Invitation.
That audio and storyline,
Excellent.
holy.
Excellent. It's genius. If, like, big spoiler alert. But it's very Matrix inspired. It's very clever.
It was just crazy, like literally mental. There was again spoiler, that there was a buzzing noise that just, oh my god, it seeped into my brain.
It's so like unnatural. It
And they
makes it so-
separated us.
They did separate us.
Ewan was sat opposite me,
fucked.
so I didn't even have the comfort of knowing I had him there. I
It's
literally
fucked.
thought I was on my hand is hurting from grabbing a piece of wood.
It's brilliant. It's the best. It's the best. My favourite attraction here, followed by Creek, and then probably put trailers. Survival games this week.
Survival games was just awful.
Surprising, because I thought my prediction would the rankings would be the other way round entirely. But no.
For me, Creek Fruit was really strong tonight, but I have such a love for trailers. It's one of the funnest mazes they have here. Maybe Legacy is the one. I can't see it.
It looks very not in operation.
Mind you, it isn't 9 o'clock, but we'll see. We've got about half an hour left, which means we're going to go on Stealth.
Yeah.
And yeah, just see what else we can fit in for the last half an hour.
Yeah.
But from what turned out to be a moment where we thought we weren't going to get any more mazes or rides,
It's turned out to be a really, really good
it's a
ride.
fab evening.
It's been out of the. No.
Chessie wins it for me.
Chessie also kind of wins it for me, to be honest, but Towers, this has been really strong. I won't pull this far off Chessie, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's been really strong.
Towers, sort yourself out.
Yeah.
I think they have shut those toilets. So we'll have to use the ones around near Detonator.
Yes.
That was an experience. Every terminal's way better than other people were saying, but again, everyone has different experiences. People like different things, so that's understandable. But some people may not be as fond of something like that.
Yeah, it's not for everyone. I mean, the thing is, Terminal is like, at the end of the day, I'm a very audio interested man. I find audio stuff
It's
really
so
scary.
clever. But yeah, we're gonna head round and then see you in a bit.
So it's graduation year. We're doing Stealth in the Dark. Your favourite coaster here. My favourite coaster here. Oh, I'm so gassed for this. Oh, 10 minutes. Quiet now. Really quiet. Yeah, we're gonna make it. It's might be from road. See what happens.
Oh my god! We just did 2 back-to-back rides on Stealth without leaving the station. Our first ride was a front row night ride, which is my favourite thing to do in the UK. How's that, Ewan? You've never done it in full dark.
Excellent, excellent. So good.
And then we did like second to back, and that was, yeah, second to back was
Oh,
brilliant.
yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it was brilliant. It was, what a ride to end like our Merlin season.
This event was amazing. This event is really good.
Like, unreal. Seriously guys, if you've got time and they haven't sold out to come and check out Fright Nights 2022, do it.
It's probably, you know what, this event was so good. We've had one of probably the best possible experience of it tonight.
Despite that rain, everything, it was worth it. We're gonna head round to the beach to see if Legacy's on. But if not, we'll wrap up the vlog in a little bit. If not, enjoy these shots of Legacy. So, understandably, Legacy isn't running tonight because the beach is flooded.
The beach is flooded, there's been lightning, wind,
Like that,
thunderstorms,
it's completely understandable.
We've literally done everything here.
Legacy is the only thing we're really missing, but it is what it is. We did all the mazes, did the rides we want to do, walked through the scare zones. It's been a brilliant, brilliant day.
A really good event, you know what? Like Thorpe, especially for Fright Nights, used to get loads of stick. Thorpe's always been the motor party, it's loads of stick.
It can be like probably the most hit and miss event, I would say.
Yeah, 100%. It is starting to chuck it down a bit.
It's starting to rain again. It held off so we could finish our day. But yeah, what was your favourite scare zone?
Scare zone? I want to say Crows.
Yeah, good
Death's
answer.
Doors is great though.
Death's Doors is underrated criminally.
Best attraction is Terminal.
Yeah.
Which is a hot take, I know, but honestly, going for
Best ride.
Best ride? Stealth.
Front row?
Yes.
Yeah.
Front row Stealth.
That's brilliant. We're gonna have a mooch in the shop.
You want some pin badges?
I want to look at the pin badges. I like that. That trailer's hoodie's nice. They got their Fright Nights. Got socks. Got a little badge. Pin badge? Yeah, pin badge set.
Here for the booze.
That's quite a nice pin badge set actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna have a wander around the shop and then see you in the end.